Hello to all of you. I'm happy to have you back on my channel. Today, I have an exciting topic for you. The ChatGPT AI bot and the top 5 strategies to earn $100 per day online for beginners in 2023. If you're new to the world of online income or just looking for fresh ideas, this video is for you. So, let's dive in. Strategy 1. Freelance writing. The first strategy is freelance writing. With the help of ChatGPT AI bot, you can create high-quality content for clients in no time. This AI-powered tool can help you generate articles, blog posts, and even social media captions. Just input your topic and let the AI do the work. You can then edit and polish the content to meet your client's needs. Strategy 2. Social media management. The second strategy is social media management. ChatGPT AI bot can help you create engaging content for various social media platforms. By using the AI to generate post ideas, captions, and hashtags, you can save time and focus on growing your client's social media presence. Offer your services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork to get started. Strategy 3. Online tutoring. The third strategy is online tutoring. With the help of ChatGPT AI bot, you can create personalized lesson plans and study materials for your students. The AI can help you generate quizzes, exercises, and even explanations for complex topics. Offer your tutoring services on websites like tutor.com or Teachable. Strategy 4. Affiliate marketing. The fourth strategy is affiliate marketing. ChatGPT AI bot can help you create engaging content to promote products and services. By using the AI to generate product reviews, comparison articles, and how-to guides, you can drive traffic to your affiliate links and earn commissions. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or ShareASale to get started. Strategy 5. Selling digital products. The fifth and final strategy is selling digital products. With ChatGPT AI bot, you can create ebooks, online courses, or even design templates. Use the AI to generate content, design elements, or even video scripts for your digital products. Sell your creations on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy. Thanks for watching, guys. One love to all of you. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn notification bell on, like the video and comment below.